if you have a loved one that you are planning on giving something that's in a small box and you're looking for that perfect packaging for Valentine's Day, that's what I am going to discuss today. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and on this channel is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So if at the end of this video, if you have found it to be helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hi you guys, here I am after my sick leave. I am still at the tail end of this, and I probably will end up coughing during this. I hope not. I'm going to try my best not to, but I ask for your forgiveness if I end up coughing during this video. I have crocheted a couple different little pouches, and I am going to start off with this pouch. It's a bigger pouch. It has a drawstring, and this is a heart granny square, and it is extremely easy to make. You start off crocheting in the round, and it is very, very roomy. So if you have bigger boxes, like for example, if someone that you care about, that you want to buy a special something for Valentine's Day, and they're really into, we'll say, Laura Geller makeup, like I am. No, Laura Geller is not sponsoring this video. I just decided that I was going to try her product, a couple different things. So I am using the boxes as an example in today's video with these pouches. It fits perfect in here. And you can even fit 2 in here. So if you wanted to get that Laura Geller special of the blush and the foundation powder for Valentine's Day, they would both fit in this adorable little Valentine pouch. And then next I have a couple of different little pouches, one in pink with red heart drawstring, and one in red with a pink heart drawstring. And it's just to show you that you can just, mix and match and do whatever. And these are all single crochets. And again, you would just pull the drawstring and you would put in your little gift inside. Now this pink one could be for your sweetheart if you are, say you're buying her a special ring and you want to place it in this adorable little pouch, and then you just tie it in a little bow, and it just makes it that much more personal. And the same thing, you can use the red one for your male sweetheart. If you have bought him a ring or a bracelet or a necklace, or a chain for around his neck, then both of these, or just one if you wish, would fit into this pouch. And again, you would just tie it up. Now, if your sweetheart is into flowers, and you wanted to give her something a little extra other than, these little pouches, with this red and white one, how about these beautiful heart tulip flowers? It would be such a perfect little gift. And it would also go with the pink one, because there is one of each color. So you could go ahead and you could make a yellow one, or just a yellow heart drawstring, and it would go with the yellow flower. And it is just the most romantic little set I think. So this is a very simple Valentine gift idea, and it's not so much as the actual gift as it is what would hold the gift. If you have liked this idea, then please comment below and let me know if you decided on one of these or all of these, or if you have an idea that you want to share for Valentine's Day. I'm also going to leave a link to all of these in the description box below. I have another video that I think that you might be interested in Valentine gift ideas. I'll go ahead and I will link that in the description box below, as well as put the video link at the end of this video. That's it, and I did well because I didn't cough. So until next time, guys. Bye.